guys, welcome back to my myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara drawstring bag, and these are the materials I'll be using: staple, scissors, we're using lining, and this Ankara fabric. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on notification bell so you be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. For my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for always coming back to my channel to watch my amazing tutorial. Let's get started. So guys, for this tutorial, this is the Ankara fabric I'll be using, and I've already measured it out. So let's measure. This is 16 inches. That's the length, 16 inches. Then the width is 14 inches. 14 inches, that's the width. So 16 inches length and 14 inches width. From here now, I have two Ankara fabric, and I also have the lining. Please guys, ignore my two color lining. That's what I have now available, so please ignore the two color lining. So guys, this lining is also the same measurements with the Ankara fabric. It's 16 inches by 14 inches width by 14 inches width. So this is what we'll be doing. For your lining, I'm going to stitch from this point. I'm going to stitch down to this point, to this point. So that's what you're basically doing for the lining. So let me set this aside. So for the Ankara fabric, this is what we'll be doing. So this is the Ankara fabric. This is the width now. From the 14 inches, that's the width. From here now, this is how you will be stitching. From here, mark 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. And from this side, 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So from this point, mark 1 inch. Hope you can see 1 inch. And here 1 inch. So this is it. So this is what you'll be doing. You're going to stitch from this point to this point. Don't stitch this 1 inch. Stitch from here, this point to this point. Then skip here. Skip. Stitch this way down. Down. Stitch. When you get here, don't stitch this 1 inch. From here, skip to this upper part and stitch. So as you can see, this is my Ankara fabric, right side facing right side, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I have stitched the Ankara fabric, and you can see the 1 inch I said should not stitch, and I didn't stitch this part also. This is 1 inch space. Then I've also stitched the lining. So the next thing to do is to fold this edge this way, down part. I'm going to fold it this way, and you will measure 2 inches. You will mark it. Then you go to your machine and stitch this other side also do the same. 2 inches, and you do the same for the lining. 2 inches, stitch 2 inches. I'll come back and show you. So guys, I have stitched, and I've also stitched the lining to 2 inches. So the next thing to do is to cut this stitch off. So when you are done cutting, you turn it to the right side. So I'll also turn the Ankara fabric to the right side. So let's keep this lining aside. So on your Ankara fabric, you are going to get the middle. Don't forget there is an opening here. You are going to get the middle of this bag, so we can fix the handle of the bag. So put your tape rule so we can get the middle, the midpoint. So this is 13. So midpoint of 13 should be 6.5 inches. This is 6.5. So from here now I want to fix the handle. So let's mark 3 inches for the handle. Hope you can see what I'm doing. 3 inches, and from this side 3 inches. So this is for the handle. It's 2. So this handle is 16 by 2 inches. 16 inches. 16 inches length by 2 inches width. By 2 inches width. So what you do is just to fold half an inch, half an inch, then you fold it on the yourself this way. Then you go to your sewing machine and run your stitch on this side, run your stitch on this side and on this other side. You do the same for the bolt handle. So I'm going ahead to stitch the handle. So on the 3 inches line, on this 3 inches mark from the both side, you will fix the handle of the bag. Fix this one, you stitch, and this other one you stitch, and you fix the other side of the bag. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I have stitched the handle. So the next thing to do is to wear our lining for this bag. So this is the lining. I turn it back to the wrong side. So this is the inside of the line. This is the right side of the bag. This is the inside right side of the line. So you wear it this way. So you stitch round the bag. Then when you get here, you leave like 3 inches space. Don't stitch it. Don't stitch 3 inches. So you just stitch around. Skip here. Start stitching from here, go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've gone ahead and stitch. Then this space that I left here, we're going to use it to turn the bag inside out. So you see that space? We're going to top stitch. Go back to the sewing machine. We're going to top stitch round the bag. So guys, I have top stitch round the bag, and the next thing to do is to come back to this 1 inch from this both side. So you're going to sew your 1 inch round the bag. You're going to stitch round the bag. So when you are stitching, you stitch this way, open the bag. This is your 1 inch that we left, so you're going to stitch this way, open your bag. So you stitch round the back, stitch on this line and stitch on this second line. So guys, I have stitched the 1 inch line. So the next thing to do is to fix the rope inside, and this is what I'll be using for the rope. This Ankara fabric is 44 inches by 1 inches length. So this length is 44 inches and 1 inches width. So what you do is to fold and stitch. You just run a stitch down, and you do the same for this other rope. So guys, I have stitched the rope. So it's time to fix it into our bag with the help of your safety pin. So you fix from this 1 inch here. So you bring the first rope, you come in from here and bring it out from this end. Remove your safety pin. This same rope that you took in from here and come out from here, take the other side and fix it through here. This one is going to come outside here also. So you see, this is the rope here and this is the two of them here. So you fix it in. This is the two rope here. You can tie them out so it doesn't go inside. So you pick the other rope now. Fix your safety pin. Now you're going to go from this end now. I hope you understand. From this end now. So we're going to go from here. See? You come out from this side. For this one went through here and came out from this side. So for the other hand, I'm going to fix it here. You come out from this other end here. You get it now. So you have something like this. So guys, this is the finished work of our drawstring bag. So from here now you can make the hand equal and tie it so it doesn't go inside. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.